Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to my explanatory video. Children, in this video, we shall continue with lesson number 5, Things Around Us. I hope you all have understood till where I have explained. In my previous video, I had started this topic, characteristics of living things. In this video, we shall continue with the other points. In the previous video, we had discussed about two characteristics. That was, living things grow, whereas non-living things do not grow. Living things need food, whereas non-living things do not need food. Now, we shall continue with the other characteristics. Point number 3. Living things feel and react. What does this mean? First, let us read. When we accidentally prick our hand with a small pin, we feel the pain and quickly remove our hand away. When we take a pin, we get hurt from a pin. एक पिन होता है सेफ्टी पिन और ऑल पिन. जब उससे थोड़ा सा लग जाता है तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? आउच ऐसे चिल्लाते हैं ना. So we feel the pain. When we get hurt by a small pin or a safety pin, we get hurt and quickly move our hand. जल्दी से हाथ हटा लेते हैं. When we touch an ice cube, our finger feel cold. When we hear music, our feet start tapping the floor. Our pet dog moves its tail on seeing any family member while it barks at a stranger. Children, what does this mean? This means that living things can feel and react. How? When we touch an ice cube, our fingers feel cold. Whenever we take out the ice tray from the refrigerator, what do you feel? Do you feel hot? आपको गर्म लगती है क्या आइस छूने से? No, we feel cold. When we hear music, कैसा लगता है? When we hear to a nice music, a dance music, we feel like dancing. That is feeling. How you feel while you listen to good music. गाना सुनने से ही नाचने का मन करता है, isn't it? About our pet dog. Our pet dog moves its tail on seeing any family member. If you all have a pet, if you have a pet dog or a cat, you will notice that whenever he sees a family member, he wags its tail. अपनी पूंछ हिलाते रहता है. That is loving. That is feeling of love. While when they say a stranger, if a stranger comes to your house, they start barking. Bhaw, bhaw, bhaw. They start barking. जब किसी अनजान आदमी से मिलता है या अनजान आदमी को देखता है, वो भौंकने लगता है. Humans and most animals have sense organs, eye, nose, ears, tongue and skin to feel the changes around them. Human beings, children, we human beings have sense organs. And what are those sense organs? Those are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. We see with our eyes, we smell with our nose, we hear with our ears, we taste with our tongue and we feel with our skin. So human beings and most of the animals have sense organs. These sense organs help us to feel the changes around us. We feel the change. अभी गर्मी है, अभी ठंडी है, अभी मुझे गर्म लग रही है, अभी मुझे ठंड लग रही है, अभी मुझे चोट लग गई, चोट लगने से रोना आता है. These are all feelings. We feel. We are living things, so we can feel. Insects like cockroaches and butterflies have antenna to sense the changes around them. Children, insects don't have सेंस ऑर्गन्स. इंसेक्ट्स को, जैसे इंसेक्ट्स लाइक कॉकरोचेस, बटरफ्लाइज, मस्कीटोज, इनके पास सेंस ऑर्गन नहीं होता है. इनके पास क्या होता है? एंटेना. तो दे कैन फील थ्रू द एंटेना. उनके अगल बगल आसपास क्या हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, वो एंटेना से पता चलता है. दे कैन फील फ्रॉम देयर, दे कैन सेंस द चेंजेस अराउंड देम थ्रू देयर एंटेना. नाउ अबाउट प्लांट्स. Plants do not have any sense organ, but they react to changes around them. When we touch the leaves of touch me not plant, it quickly closes its leaves. Children, plants do not have sense organs. They don't have eyes, nose, ears or antennas, but still they can feel the changes around them. Like when it is autumn season, what happens to the plants? They shed their leaves. But as soon as spring comes, they get back their leaves. These changes are felt by plants. They know that this is the autumn season and they shed their leaves. They cannot hold their leaves, they shed their leaves. But while the spring comes, and then after the summer season, while spring comes, new leaves come out, and in the summer time fruits come out of them. So these are all the changes which a plant, being a living thing, can feel. Plants, देखो plants को ना eyes होते हैं, ना nose होते हैं, ears होते हैं, skin होते हैं, but still plants feel कर सकते हैं. If you see a touch me not plant, if you touch the leaves of a plant called touch me not, they quickly close their leaves. एकदम अपनी leaves को एकदम बंद कर लेते हैं, छूने से ही बंद कर लेते हैं. So this proves that all living things, whether it is human being or animals or insects, birds, plants, they all can feel and react. वो महसूस कर पाते हैं. फील मतलब महसूस कर पाते हैं और रिएक्ट भी करते हैं, है ना. जैसे कि गर्म लगने से हाथ हटा लेते हैं, ठंडा लगने से ऐसे करते हैं ना. सो वी कैन फील एंड वी रिएक्ट. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, touch an ice cube on your doll's finger. Does it react? No. Non-living things do not feel and react. Children, if you take the hand of your doll and make it, if you take a cube on a doll's, touch an ice cube on your doll's finger, you will see that the doll will not at all react. Your doll will not cry. Your doll won't feel cold. That doll will not react at all. She will not feel anything. Why? Because she is a non-living thing. Okay? Your doll is a non-living thing. Your doll is a non-living thing, and non-living things do not feel and react, while living things feel and react. Understood? Now, fourth point. Living things breathe. Hold your breath for a few seconds. Can you hold it for longer time? No. All living things breathe to live. Animals like cats, dogs, tigers and lions breathe through their lungs. Humans also breathe through lungs. Insects like cockroaches, mosquitoes and grasshoppers breathe through air holes in their bodies. Fish breathe through gills and take in oxygen dissolved in water. Plants breathe through tiny holes in their leaves called stomata. So all living things breathe. Children, fourth characteristics is that living things breathe and non-living things do not breathe. We all know that living things need air to stay alive. Now do one thing. Hold your breath. Okay? एकदम नाक बंद कर लो, मुंह बंद कर लो और बिल्कुल सांस मत लो. आप 5 मिनट के बाद आपको लगेगा कि आपके सांसें रुक रही हैं. So this means that living things need air, living things need to breathe to stay alive. Okay. Now, children, all animals like cat, dog, tigers, lions and even human beings, they breathe through lungs. शरीर के अंदर lungs होता है. Children, these are the lungs. We have lungs through which we breathe. Okay, so we breathe through lungs, while insects like cockroaches, mosquitoes, grasshoppers, they breathe through air holes. यहाँ see, here just beneath the body they have holes. These are called air holes and they breathe through the air holes. All insects breathe through air holes. Insects के पास lungs नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे human beings they have lungs, so they breathe through their lungs. नाक से सांस लेते हैं तो lungs ये जो है ना बेटा, ये आपका वी विल लर्न इन द सेंस ऑर्गन चैप्टर व्हेन अ बॉडी इज़ अ वंडरफुल मशीन में पढ़ेंगे हम लोग कि लंग्स कैसे हम लोग लंग्स के थ्रू से सांस लेते हैं. But now you just have to understand that we human beings and all the animals, they breathe through lungs, while insects breathe through air holes. Insects के पास lungs नहीं होता है, तो they breathe through air holes. Body के नीचे holes होते हैं, उससे वो लोग air लेते हैं. Fishes breathe through gills. See children, here fish के just कान के पीछे एक ऐसे opening होता है children, ये होता है gills. They breathe through their gills. Fishes also don't have air holes or they don't have lungs. They breathe through gills. Fish breathe through gills. And fish, आप लोग को लगता है कि हम लोग को ऑक्सीजन मिलता है एयर से. We get oxygen from the air. But children, you also have to understand one thing, that water also has oxygen in it. So the fish, all the fishes, they breathe the oxygen which is dissolved in the water. Water के साथ जो oxygen mixed होता है ना, उसको fishes जो होते हैं उस oxygen को वो लोग अपने अंदर लेते हैं alive रहने के लिए. Okay. And now you will ask that from where does the plant breathe? So let me tell you children, plants के जो leaves होते हैं, the leaves of the plant have tiny holes, very tiny holes, and they breathe through the, you can see through a you can see through a microscope. If you keep a plant just beneath the glass, you will see that there are tiny holes in the leaves. These tiny holes are called stomata, and leaves breathe through the stomata. So children, animals and human beings breathe through lungs. Mosquitoes, insects, all insects, they breathe through air holes. Fishes breathe through gills, and plants breathe through tiny holes present in the leaves, which is called stomata. Understood? So we can say that all living things breathe, but non-living things do not breathe. Now hold the nose of your doll for a longer time. अपने डॉल के नाक को जोर से पकड़ के रखिए. क्या वो रिएक्ट करेगी? क्या उसको सांस लेने की ज़रूरत है? No. Living things need air. Living things breathe. They need oxygen to live. While non-living things do not breathe. They don't need oxygen to breathe. So children, do this exercise also. And in my next video, we shall continue with the other characteristics, that is living things move, non-living things, and living things produce. And we shall also discuss the question and answers. Okay children, till we meet again in our next video, be safe children. Bye bye and thank you.